In the 1970s, a small French pharmaceutical company had been searching for novel non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. While screening newly synthesized test compounds, one of the company's experiment noticed that mice treated with one of these compounds became hyperactive. This compound, which was given the name Modafinil, not only caused increased locomotive activity, but also antagonized barbiturate-induced sedation. Despite its stimulant-like effect, Modafinil had a unique pharmacological profile that differed substantially from amphetamine. The compound was chemically modified to produce modafinil, which is more potent and longer acting. The mechanism underlying modafinil stimulant activity seems to be more complex than the mechanism underlying the effects of cocaine, amphetamine, or methylphenidate. Studies have shown modafinil binds to dopamine transporters with relatively low affinity and acts as a weak dopamine reuptake inhibitor. Brain imaging studies have further confirmed modafinil's occupancy of dopamine transporters in the human brain and its ability to elevate extracellular dopamine. The importance of these effects was further demonstrated by the observation that modafinil stimulant properties are blocked in mice genetically engineered to lack dopamine transporters and wild-type mice pre-treated with either D1 or D2 receptor antagonist. The drug also binds to orexin neurons. They are a family of wakefulness-promoting sleep-inhibiting peptides. The drug also stimulates norepinephrine, both of which are integral components of the brain's arousal system, and it also additionally inhibits GABA release. The combined effects on orexin and GABA lead to increased release of histamine, another component of the arousal neuronal circuit. Together, these actions are hypothesized to cause increased wakefulness, enhanced cognitive function, alertness, and vigilance. Numerous studies have found improvement in executive functions, attention learning, and episodic memory. Modafinil is currently approved by the FDA for the treatment of excessive daytime sleepiness in patients with narcolepsy, people with obstructive sleep apnea, and individuals with disordered sleep pattern. The drug has also been used by the military as a countermeasure to combat fatigue. In general, we believe that sleep helps to build up the immune system. Therefore, sleep deprivation induces stress responses and impairs immune function. A few studies reported that modafinil impairs recovery sleep under sleep-deprived individuals, although the alertness-enhancing and cognitive improving effects of modafinil is significant amongst these individuals. Modafinil could be restricted to patients with heart disease as it increases resting heart rate and blood pressure. Despite its ability to increase dopaminergic activity, modafinil is generally thought to have relatively low abuse potential. However, further studies of modafinil's pharmacological mechanism is needed. Considering this, modafinil has potential to ameliorate cognitive deficits in patients with schizophrenia or disorders involving cognitive dysfunction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.